Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you about diet planning in cardiovascular disease. So, what is cardiovascular disease? Cardiovascular diseases are a range of diseases which occurs due to obesity, then a sedentary lifestyle, then if someone is taking too much of saturated fat in the diet, and also if the person is suffering from diabetes mellitus, then the person can suffer from cardiovascular diseases. So what diet should we follow in cardiovascular disease? Basically, the diet plan for cardiovascular disease is more or less similar with diabetes. That is, in cardiovascular disease, we have to include high fiber foods in the form of whole grains, cereals, whole fruits and vegetables. Then we have to include protein in moderate or low amounts according to the severity of the disease. We have to give high biological value proteins such as egg, milk, dairy products, fish. We have to restrict the saturated fats in the diet. We have to avoid red meat. We have to avoid the processed foods. Also, we should give the unsaturated fatty acids, that is monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Also, we should include vegetable oils in the diet, for example, sunflower oil, safflower oil, rice bran oil, olive oil. And also, we should avoid the trans fats and the triglycerides in the diet. Now, there are different stages of cardiovascular disease. The first stage is atherosclerosis. That is, it is the condition when there is narrowing of arteries which block the oxygen supply. So, if a person consumes too much of saturated fat in the diet, fat gets deposited in the arterial walls, which further leads to formation of atheroma or formation of fatty streaks. Then furthermore, this atherosclerosis, if not it is treated, then it may lead to angina pectoris, that is sharp pain, then myocardial infarction, and also sudden ischemic death, that is the oxygen supply will be stopped and the person may even suffer from death. So we have to see that to prevent cardiovascular diseases, we have to include such a diet so that the disease does not form its severity, or the disease does not reach the severe form. There are certain risk factors of cardiovascular diseases. That is, the person, if he is a smoker, then he may suffer from cardiovascular disease. Also, if the person undergoes sedentary lifestyle, he does not perform any kind of physical activity. Also, if the person is overweight or obese, if he has a family history of cardiovascular disease, or if the person is suffering from diabetes mellitus since a longer duration, all these reasons may be risk factors which will lead to cardiovascular diseases. So, the basic principles of diet which we need to follow are high fiber carbohydrates, that is including whole grains in the diet, moderate calories, low or moderate proteins, very low sodium, that is we have to restrict the sodium if the person is suffering from hypertension. And also we have to restrict potassium in the diet. Sodium and potassium are mainly found in the green leafy vegetables, also the bakery products. So we have to restrict all this. We have to restrict the canned foods, processed foods. Then we have to include dairy products, that is the low fat dairy products, skimmed milk, low fat curd, low fat yogurt. Then also we have to give vegetable oils in the diet. Now, continuing the video, I will show you a recipe which can be taken in cardiovascular disease. That is a high fiber diet recipe which contains fruits. That is sprouts. Then it will contain pomegranate, and this will be a very good recipe for cardiovascular diseases, as it will be rich in fiber and also it will contain protein in the form of sprouts. So let us see the recipe.
So to start with the making of salad for CVD, we'll take these ingredients: green gram, fresh pomegranate and cucumber. Now to start with the making of salad, we'll cut the pomegranate after washing. Then we'll take out the seeds from it. Now we will wash the green gram properly and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Now we'll cut the cucumber into slices. Also, our green gram is being soaked. So now we'll mix the cucumber and pomegranate seeds with the green gram. You can also germinate the green grams. You can soak it overnight and then use it, but I have not germinated it. I have soaked it for 4 hours, then I have used it in the preparation of salad.